Welcome back. Now that we have some items into our module, we have pages, we have assignments, we have a quiz, we have discussions. One of the things as you're building is you may want to reorder how that's organized within your module. So, like the discussion, I added it last, so it's at the bottom, but I would want to move it up to be kind of a starter and introduction to the unit. So, I'm going to show you how to do that. Go into my sandbox, and now I have pages, assignments, quiz, and these just happen to be in the order that I built them or introduced them to something, but I probably wouldn't have them all grouped that way as I was going through and building something. So for an example, I said I wanted to move my discussion question up so it was the first thing that students would come to. And how I can do that is over here, these two little sets of dots. I am going to click, and then as I want to, I move up, and it will let me reorder wherever I want to put that information. And then my students will encounter them chronologically in this order. So if I wanted it to be different, say I wanted my quiz to be a pre-assessment for something, I could put it here, and it would happen before they did any assignments for this unit. So just drag and drop basically into the space that you want them to be. You don't like it. Oh, I decided, no, I should have that quiz at the end. I'm going to put it back down at the bottom. And that's all it takes to kind of move things around. One other feature that I want to make sure you notice out of these is all of these have green checkbox with them. And that means that they've all been published. So if I had students in my class, they would be able to see all of these pieces. If I wanted to keep working on one of them, I could go in and unpublish. And by clicking on it, you'll see the green goes away. And then a student wouldn't be able to access that even if it was August 7th because I haven't published my content. The challenge of this is sometimes people forget to go through and publish, and then it won't let them do work with it in the gradebook, and it also students can't see it. So make sure those are all checked green. All you have to do is click on them, and it will publish those pieces. Hope that helps.